Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. So here we have 11 squared, this gives you 121, 101 squared, this gives you 10201, this is 1001 squared, this gives you 1002001, and then again you have two numbers and taking the squares will give you some numbers, but here in these two cases the digits are missing and you have to tell what those digits are. Now, if you try to observe the pattern, then one pattern is very visible, very clearly visible, and that is on both the ends of each of these numbers there will be 1. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Here also you'll have 1 and 1. Okay, this much is clear. Okay, now observe the next pattern. This has 2 1, you have 2 here. 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 This has 2 1, so here also you'll have 2. Okay, or let me take some different color. You'll have 2. Okay, now if you look at this number doesn't contain any 0. Okay, it doesn't contain any zeros, so the square of this number also has no 0. Now come here, this number contains 1 0, and therefore on the right hand side and on the left hand side of 2 you have 1 0 on each sides. Okay, on each side, so this is 0 and here also 0. This number has 2 zeros, so 2 zeros on the left of 2 and on the right of 2. Here you have 1 2 3 and 4 zeros, so you'll have 1 2 3 4 zeros on the left hand side and 1 2 3 and 4 zeros on the right hand side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, so you have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 zeros on the right hand side as well, right? So this is the pattern that's very clear to us. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Here also you have to tell the missing digits. Okay, now this is 11 square, this gives you 121. This is 101 squared, this gives you 10201, and now you have 10101 squared, this is 102030201. Okay, now in this case the digits are missing on this for the square number, but here you have a square number but its original number is missing, whose square this number is. Okay, now observe the pattern. The pattern is what? The pattern is that you have 2 ones. Here you have 2 1, then you have 101, you have 10101, you have 1010101. Okay, now it means that this number will also end with 1 on both the sides. This much is clear. Okay, and you have to find the square of that. Okay, now this has 2 ones, so you have 2 here. This has 2 ones, so you have 2 here. Okay, now this has 1 2 and 3 ones, therefore the maximum digit present is 3, right? It has 3 ones, so you have 3. In this case you have 1 2 3 and 4. You have 4 ones, therefore the maximum digit that will be present in the square number will be 4, right? 4. Now wait, you can see here that when it is 2 it becomes 1, that is -1. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1, right? Okay, now 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. Okay, now if you look at this number, what's the max digit present in this number? The max digit, the largest digit is 5 in this number. It means that this number will contain 5 ones, and again each one is separated by a 0, right? There are no consecutive two ones, right? There are no consecutive ones, 1 0 1 0 in that fashion. So this number will have 5 ones. What we already have 2 ones, so 1 1 2 3, so we have now 5 ones. Okay, now put 0 here because that's a pattern, and same thing here also. You have to put zeros in this case because every number has between 2 digits you have 0. So this is the pattern.